What's up, guys? Welcome back to another action-packed episode here on AC Designs Garage, and today we're doing another update video on the old turbo and 2K clear bedside that's been out there for a long time, out in the elements, in the sun, the rain, the snow, the ice, the sleet, everything. It's been out there and it's held up, and today is the 15-month anniversary, and we're gonna go out here and check this unit out, wipe it off, may put a coat of wax on it. We're not gonna buff it because a lot of you people said not to buff it anymore, so we're not gonna buff it. We're just gonna clean off the old residue and the nasty fungus among us on it. So this week she's gonna get some more extreme elements. We're supposed to get like a ½ inch of ice this week here in North Carolina, and it's gonna be like 3 degrees. We're in North Carolina, it's 3 degrees. But like I said, I hope we don't get the ½ inch of ice because I like my power. I like to watch YouTube too. So anyhow, let's go outside before it gets all nasty. Right now, I've got like a 2-hour window right before it starts to rain and nasty. You'll see when we get outside. It's just doom and gloom and nasty, but before long, you can see where me and Daddy been down here. Marcel Ledbetter and chainsawing up all the stuff to get ready to put the temporary but permanent paint booths going out here. The only reason we ain't put it up yet is because this mess coming. I just didn't want it out here in it, especially a ½ inch of ice with up to 2 to 3 inches of sleet. All right, but we're gonna hope and pray that we don't get no bunch of damage and ice and lose power and all that stuff, but we got the generators if we do. So let's look while we're out here real quick before we go look. Don't mind my garbage I gotta throw away. Just piled it up. Here's the old door that we painted in Cerakote burnt bronze a few weeks ago. Still holding up nice. It's got a perfect sheen. Man, look at that thing. That thing just looks so good. I don't know how it's gonna paint over, but that thing is looking sweet. So we're gonna go over here and check the old door out. One of these people over here working on this house are gonna wonder why I'm talking to myself, but hey, I'd do it if I didn't have a camera. Anyways, here she is, guys. She's kind of dirty, but this is 15 months later. We are gonna clean her up real quick with some sprayway glass cleaner. It's already starting to mist rain, so we're probably not gonna wax it. Let's get this thing cleaned up real quick because I'm running out of time a whole lot faster than I thought I was going to. So we're gonna have to work fast. I'm dreading this stuff. I was so excited we was gonna get some snow. I like snow. Get the four-wheelers out, have a ball. But we're getting the ice, the good old North Carolina slushy. Yay. Anyway, if you guys are wanting a Shakemaster 4000, we was out for a little bit. I got a few more made, so if y'all want any, there they are. Kapow, 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 kapow. They're ready to go out the door. So if y'all want any Richardson 112 hats, the Def 4 Electric t-shirts, you want to support the channel in any way, make sure you head on over to www.acdesignsgarage.com, and we appreciate it. So let me grab the good old spray away. See, I might have some more. And there's about out. Did you guys happen to check out the video last week on the X Laser Lab laser welder? Super rad. I'll show you a couple of things real quick. I promise we'll get out here to the video. Out of the way. Check out them dimes. Stacking them up. Stacking them up. Anybody can do it. Like I said, I'll drop a link to the video down here if y'all want to check it out. This thing will make somebody that ain't never welded before look like a 20-year veteran. Check out this. This also does the rad rust removal in seconds. Super rad machine. Alrighty. Let's go over here and get the old fresh can of Sprayway World's Best Glass Cleaner. As always, all the products will be linked in the description box below the video. We make a wee bit off of qualified purchases at no additional cost to you guys. It just gives y'all a place to go look at it and get it. Okay, Scotch Shop towels. And here we go. We're just wiping it off today, guys. We ain't even gonna wax it. 15 months out in the element. Rust-oleum turbo with 2K gloss clear, cut and buffed. Sitting outside, 15 months in the making. Who says this stuff's gonna chip and flake off? Still look at that reflection. 15 months, guys. All right, we're just gonna put a little coat of little Sprayway on her and clean her up real good. We are going to make sure that we could use microfiber towels. They probably would work better. Remember, guys, don't do any of that circle Mr. Miyagi stuff. It'll put swirls all in your paint. Make sure you're going straight lines whichever way you're going. But we're basically just cleaning this unit today. If we get time, I may wax it just to put another coat on it because it's been 3 months since I've touched it. on the 1 year anniversary is what we did to it. This thing is nasty. Look at all that red overspray. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Just from being out here painting them Shake Master 4000s. Also guys, make sure you head on over to my buddy Kevin Tetz's page. Y'all probably already follow him on the old YouTube at Paintucation by Kevin Tetz. Go check him out. He done a really cool video this week on how to eliminate orange peel and some stuff you can do on it. So I'll drop a link to his channel in there and the video and all that stuff. Make sure y'all go check it out and give him some love. Tell him Adrian AC Designs Garage sent you over there. You can learn a lot from Kevin. I used to watch him years ago on television. Super smart dude. Rain's coming. Hurry up, quit yakking. Okay. Anyway, go check Kevin out. I still go over his site to learn a lot of stuff. Never stop learning, guys. It will help you out. Man, it's already raining. We ain't even gonna get a good picture of this thing. We got to hurry. Now, mainly we just getting all this overspray off. Yeah, buddy, it's raining. It's already starting. I was going to put wax on her. Should have come out here and filmed before I ate a bean, but ew. Yeah guys, this stuff is holding up a whole lot better than I thought. Like I said, this ain't nothing fancy. Rust-oleum turbo and 2K Spray Max clear, high gloss clear, cut and buffed. And she's holding up. This thing is facing the sun. It gets the morning sun every morning up to about 3 o'clock, dead on it. Like I said, it's gonna get ice and everything on it in the next couple of days. Also guys, make sure you drop down the comments below what y'all would like to see coming up. We got a few more laser welder videos coming up. Trying that cool unit out. So make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff so you can stay notified. Because we're actually gonna do some rust repair with the laser welder, I think. We'll try that out. So if anybody tells you this spray paint stuff will not hold up with a 2K clear on it, you send them to my video and show them. Oh, we get big raindrops. Okay. Is that snowing or is that just rain? Might be a little snowflakes in it. Okay, trying to get this off quick. So let's look at it before it starts raining. Guys, 15 months out in the weather. About to be in a ½ inch of ice for long. We might take some pictures and put them up on the Instagram if it gets the ice on. So make sure you go over and follow me on Instagram at AC Designs Garage, of course. Check it out, guys. Still slicker than snot. Slicker than snot t-shirts hopefully coming out before too awful long. In a hurry because it's raining. And I got to get a bottle of 7525 gas out of the bed of my truck. So getting all the raindrops off a can. Ah. Look at that, guys. Ka-chow. $15 months. All right, let's go back in. We'll talk about it. This stuff here done turned into gold. That's 70 bucks. Bottle 75.25. It's a little pricey. But has y'all's bottle size look like it shrank a little bit? This is supposed to be 125 cubic foot. That's what I use. And my other bottle I took today was about this tall. They say it's the same. But if you got a 2-gallon gas jug, how can you put 3 gallons of gas in it? I don't know. Maybe I don't know how gas works, but to me, a 2-gallon gas jug should hold 2 gallons of gas. 3 gallons should hold 3. I don't know. Maybe I'm just complaining. I don't know. Stuff's expensive. I just want to make sure I'm getting everything that I paid for. But anywho's, enough grumbling about that. Let's go out here. I think it stopped raining for a second. I just want to look over this thing. Just make sure we ain't got any defects and stuff, and show you guys up close that it's not peeling, it's not blistering, it's not doing any of this stuff. So let's go. One more time, we'll be done. I'm just super impressed. I did not think that this was gonna last this long. I figured it would be 8-9 months max, but like I said, 15 months. It needs to be buffed because this had stuff slid down the side. I mean, it's just, we don't treat this nicely. We abuse it. But there's no lifting anywhere, no flaking, no any fading. I think there's I hit that with a rock with the lawnmower. Like I said, it's still looking good, guys. Pretty sure, guys, that I used the flat turbo on there. I've done one with the gloss and one, but I'm about 100% sure I did the flat on it, so we're gonna stay with that. It don't matter. I was just gonna show you with this video when I done it a year ago that you could use the flat, which dries faster and has a whole lot less orange peel. I'll link the turbo down below, the 2K clear that I used, everything that I used to cut and buff it with, sandpaper, buffer, all that good stuff. We'll link down below in case you guys want to try it yourself. Also, any other colors in the Rust-oleum, we're fixing to jam back up on it as soon as we get our paint booth put up out here. We're gonna get the getting on it, and we're gonna do all kind of colors. I got my D21 Nissan out there, the 94. I got to repaint. I got to repaint my 3/4 ton Chevrolet pick 'em up truck. I got all kinds of stuff I need to repaint of my own, but make sure you drop down below stuff you want to see. We got patches, the 65 C10 build going on. We're about to jump back on him. I want to get it running by this summer, I hope. But anyhow, I'm gonna stick this ball of 75-25 on the back of the old MIG welder, and we're gonna start arcing and sparking and building some more of these Shake Masters, because they don't last long, guys. People tend to love them, and they really work well, and I'm just glad I can supply you guys with a quality American-made, right here in North Carolina by me, spray paint shaker. They work great. Make sure if you want to get one, they don't last long. I'll put them up there 10, 15 at a time, and they're gone in a couple days. So www.acdesignsgarage.com, scoop you one up. The only place in the world that you can get them. All righty, guys, enough jabbering. I hope y'all enjoyed that cool little video of the walk around. Y'all said y'all want to see it keep going, so every 3 months or so, we're gonna do an update on this paint job out here and to see how long it lasts. It starts splitting and popping out. I ain't gonna fix none of it. I'm gonna show it to you. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for all the support, guys. Love you guys. Make sure y'all safe during this, if y'all in this area around North Carolina, Texas, all my buddies down in Texas, Louisiana, all that stuff. Y'all getting the stuff that we're gonna get later. But prayer for y'all. Hope y'all guys are safe. Stay safe, and remember, be kind to one another. Jesus loves you, so do we. God bless. We gone.